wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best inflatable pools with slides. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. It's not particularly large or sophisticated, but the best way lava will entertain groups of kids with its blow-up ramp and integrated ring toss game. It features a handy drain valve so you can quickly let the water out when the fun has run its course. It comes with 4 colorful balls and cushioning on the floor. However, a pump is not included. At number 9, designed for children aged 3 and older, the Bounceland Cascade offers 2 slides of different heights that can be used at the same time. It's equipped with a convenient carrying bag so you can take it with you to a friend's house. It's made of puncture-resistant plastic and backed by a 90-day warranty, but it's a bit small for the price. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the durable Blast Zone Spray and Splash promises to provide aquatic activities for several seasons to come. The basin wraps around all the way to the climbing wall, so kids can use the slide over and over again without needing to leave the water. It's made with sturdy reinforced stitching and includes a heavy-duty blower and numerous anchor points for stability. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inflatable pools with slides, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, youngsters can create their own adventures with the Blast Zone Crocodile Isle as they escape from the smiling green beast and race each other to the oversized lagoon. It's built with safety in mind thanks to its high walls, wide ramps, and handrails. This one's made from strong reinforced polyester with protective netting on top, but it is difficult to fold up for storage. Moving up our list to number 6. The Kosson Water Park is packed with colorful features, and children can have a blast climbing the walls, shooting some hoops, spraying each other with the cannon, or enjoying the shower on the lounger. It's made from an Oxford cloth that's non-toxic and resistant to wear. It comes with a hose assembly kit and is recommended for kids aged 3 to 10 years old. It's easy to set up and take down. Halfway up our list at number 5, the friendly blow-up creatures of the summer waves under the sea are sure to entertain little ones for hours on hot summer days. The crab sprays water to keep them cool, while they can toss the rings to see how many they can land on its claws. It's a heavy-duty vinyl construction with colorful graphics on the floor. It comes with a repair patch. At number 4, a sprayer in the bounce house atop the Kosson Castle ensures the long curving slide remains wet for a smooth ride. A group of 3 or 4 youngsters can blow off steam in this model for hours at a time. It's equipped with a challenging climbing wall, large mesh windows, and a durable carrying bag. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the circular layout of the Blast Zone Hydro Rush encourages children to stay within the play zone, so they're not constantly entering and exiting and tracking mud and grass in the process. It's made from high-quality vinyl that can withstand wear and tear. It includes a powerful cannon sprayer and a helpful instructional DVD. It can accommodate up to 6 children. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inflatable pools with slides, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, splash all summer long with the Little Tigers Slam and Curve. The miniature basketball hoop provides an extra playtime activity, and a section of the wall is shorter than the rest, allowing for easy access for small tots. It folds compactly for storage, and up to 3 kids can play in it at once. It includes a handy repair kit. And taking the top spot on our list, youngsters can unleash their inner Jack Sparrow aboard the Blast Zone Pirate Bay. The nautical theme turns a warm summer afternoon into a high-stakes seafaring adventure, with 2 water cannons and a large splash area that allow imaginations to run free. It features a 2-foot-long tunnel and a built-in bounce house. It can support up to 500 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inflatable pools with slides, or simply click beneath this video.